In this video, I'll be using PowerShell to set a default search engine in Brave browser. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And quick note here, this method only works for computers that are joined to Active Directory or will be joined in the future, but until the computer is joined, the settings would be inactive. Anyways, here I have the PowerShell snippet that I will be using to configure the search engine, and it works by creating registry entries in Windows Registry. And the first registry entry that you see here is to enable the feature that allows us to set the default search engine. And here you can see the location, the value, and also the value name. And the second registry entry is to set the search engine that we want. In this case, I will be setting up DuckDuckGo, but you can use any search engine from the list that you see here. You can set it to Google, Bing, Yahoo, or even Yandex. And now I will click on the button right here to copy the PowerShell snippet, and then I'll go to my VMware workstation where I have this Windows virtual machine, and this Windows virtual machine is joined to Active Directory, and that means that the settings should work fine. If I open Brave browser now and let's perform a search, I will search for Amazon. You can see that the search is currently being performed by the Brave search, and this means that this is our default search engine now. So now let's switch it to DuckDuckGo, and for that I will go to my start menu. I will search for terminal application and I will run it as administrator. Then I will enter my administrative credentials and insert the snippet from the GitHub page. I will press enter, and it seems that the snippet executed successfully. Now for the settings to apply, I need to relaunch Brave, so I will close it and then reopen it. And if I perform a search now, let's search for whatever, I guess, you can see that now the search is performed by DuckDuckGo. And this means that DuckDuckGo is the default search engine. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to revert back the changes, you would need to go to Windows Registry and remove the registry entries that were created with the PowerShell snippet. So for that, I will go back to my terminal. I will enter regedit, and this brings me to the registry editor. Here I will go to local machine, software, policies, Brave software, and Brave. And here we have the two registry entries that were created with a snippet. So I'll select both of them, right click and delete. Once again, for the settings to apply, I need to relaunch Brave, so I'll close it. And then let's reopen it. And let's search for whatever once again. And once again, it is using Brave Search as the default search engine. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.